Here we have a Heil unit. Can't tell if this thing's straight cool or not because it's too dark to see anything down in there. But the model number is HAC024AKA1. Serial number is L00439586, which means that this was made in 2000. It's got some rather dirty coils on it, but it's currently off, as you can see right there. And it's a performance, let's say max performance 10 unit. Sure if I don't get a rash from that, because that's a lot of dust. But so yeah, here we have a 2000 max performance 10 Heil unit, and it's currently off. It's actually underneath one of the walkways on the Madison County Courthouse. Over and out.